Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Miss the Queen PH. At ito yung part 3 ng reading ninyo para sa inyong love life, no? Ito naman, 2026 love life. So, meron tayong part 1, part 2. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood yun, hanapin nyo na lang dito sa channel, dito sa aking page, kung saan nyo man ito napapanood. So, ano lang, unahan ko na kayo ha, baka may comment na naman dyan, sabihin nila, ayoko ng love life, gusto ko career. Ba't mo nga pinapanood, nakalagay na nga love life o love life. So, hanapin mo yung career reading. Diba? Kung comment, ayaw ng love life, interesado raw siya sa sa kanyang career. Di hanapin mo yung reading ng career, ha? Pakalinaw naman. So, para to sa mga interesado sa kanilang love life. So, kung hindi ka interesado, wag mo na panoorin. Okay? Paalala, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And also, paalala lang, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng mga services, products, or kung ano-ano pa. Kasi, hindi po ako yon. Merong nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH, nire-upload yung iba kong videos para magmukhang sa kanila yon, ako yon. Pero, ayun, mangsa-scam lang siya ng mga tao. So, ingat kayo sa mga ganon, ha? Oo, dun lang kayo sa legit, sa mga, sa original. Lahat ng information ko nandyan lang yan sa hanapin nyo. Okay, so, let's begin. Ano yung energies for your love life? Scorpio. Scorpio, love life, 2026. I want to awaken your memories of us. Oh! But, is it too late? Will you grasp the depth of our bond or misunderstand my intentions? So, parang meron ditong gustong buhayin yung relationship nila. Like, parang gusto niyang mahimasmasan yung kanyang person. So, pwedeng ikaw yun, gusto mo mahimasmasan yung person mo, or yung person mo, gusto niya mahimasmasan ka. Celebration, harmony, peace, joy, togetherness. Oh! So, pwedeng magkakaroon ng reunion, pagbabalikan. Disclaimer ha, hindi naman lahat ng tao binabalikan, ha. Oo, so pag alam niyo toxic na, paulit-ulit yung problema, iwasan niyo na. Mag-move on, mag-heal ka na. Love yourself. Okay? The walls built for protection now isolate, blurring the lines between independence and loneliness. Our different visions caused a rift, leaving me feeling misunderstood in my pursuit of independence. So, ayun. So, pwede kasing ganito. Merong mag-try na ayusin yung relationship, na ibalik kung ano yung meron kayo noon. Okay? But, yung isa kasi, di ba, it takes two to tango. Dapat pareho kayong nag-a-agree, pareho kayong na nararamdaman. So, I feel like meron dito na nag-awaken na siya. Like, nare-realize niya na meron na siyang sarili niyang buhay na gusto niyang, yun yung i-pursue niya. Gusto niya ng independence. Maaring nagkaroon ng masyadong controlling energy sa relationship na ngayon, the other person wants freedom. Oo. And now, yung dating, yung person na gustong ayusin or ibalik, pwedeng kaya gusto niya yung gawin kasi para meron ulit siyang makokontrol. Yun lang. O, diba? So, kaya I feel like this celebration is about celebrating your life, celebrating your independence, your peace and harmony energy sa buhay mo. Dahil ayaw mo na ng mga katoksikan. 'Di ba? Gusto mo na ng kapayapaan, katahimikan sa relationship mo. Oh. Or even sa sarili mo. Your person can be a brunette. Yan. Pwedeng energy mo yan. Na very attractive. Ayan. And then, friendship. So, some of you will also focus on connections, friendships, network. Magpapalawak ka ng iyong mga connection, which is going to help you, no? Maganda rin kasi na marami kang connections or network, friendships, acquaintances. It doesn't mean naman na lahat yan magiging super close sa'yo. But these people can help you grow. Like, personal development, ganyan. Ay, wow, may pa twin flame. Tingnan pa natin. Aha. Baka merong new person sa buhay mo na makikilala mo through friends or through mga events na napupuntahan mo, no, ngayong 2026, na mafe-feel mo na parang, uy, you have a very deep connection sa isa't isa and you feel like this is what you want. This person, merong certain pull, no? May spiritual alignment ang inyong connection. Pwedeng maging kaibigan mo muna and then you will realize na ay may mission pala kayong dalawa, no, sa mundo. To change the world. Wow. Nine of Swords. Nako. Meron dito na nasa stress, no? Pwedeng hindi pa siya totally nakaka-move on. Like parang undecided. Oh my God. Oh, may internal change eh. Merong hindi pa nagle-let go dito eh. May umaasa pa. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with na wanting to make things right for your relationship but the damage has been done. Like, nasaktan nyo na isa't isa, nagka-problema na, nagka-issue na, paulit-ulit, ganon. Now, there's clarity with the Ace of Swords here. I feel like this connection is going through a major transformation, like an ending. Na finally, finally you will gain clarity from this overthinking ng connection ninyo. Oh, wow, the Sun. The Sun, you're going to have fun. You are, part ng friendship, connections, having fun. Okay, so actually siguro pwedeng mangyari to first half, no? First half ng 2026, you will go through some changes in your relationship. Ayun yung tipong pabalik-balik ka dun sa toxic connection hanggang dumating dun sa point na hindi mo na kaya. And then, halfway 2026, kalagitnaan ng 2026, you will realize, okay, it's enough. Tapos na, tama na, ayaw mo na. And now, you're going to free yourself. And then, there comes this person na bibigyan ka ng bagong flavor sa relationship. Like, going to have fun, exciting na, tinan mo. Nine of Coins, this is also a rewarding type of relationship. Ito yung person na talagang willing, handa siyang gastusan ka. Handa siyang mag-splurge for you, not just to parang magpalakas, no, or maengganyo ka, but to take care of you. 'Di ba? Masarap sa feeling na there is someone na it's not just about the money. Merong tao na gusto ka talagang alagaan, na andyan para sa'yo. Oo. Alam niya kung ano yung mga pangangailangan mo. When I let myself go deeper into thoughts of you, I can feel my heart opening. Nagbubukas na. Magbubukas uli ang iyong puso for this new person. I'm tired of being away from you physically. I'm trying to process my fears so I can come back to you. Oh my God. I'm seeing this as the other person's energy na finally, this person na-realize niya, naku, ang hirap pala nang wala ka. 'Di ba? Ngayon, hindi niya, parang kaya siguro this person wanting to, gusto niya ibalik, na pinapaalala niya sa'yo na yung mga masasaya niyong pinagsamahan para makonsensya ka at mamanipulate ka ulit at makabalik sa buhay mo. Oo. My inner child was wounded when my parents couldn't respond to me in the way I needed them to. I am reacting from that wound. Yeah, I feel like this person is somehow wounded, no? Yung kanyang gawi, no? Yung mga acts niya, pinapakita niya sa'yo, yung ugali niya, ay galing yon sa sarili niyang problema nung bata pa siya. And you are not here, no? Hindi ka naman nandito para maging therapist niya. Although you can help, pero sarili niya kasing journey. Oo. Na kung hindi na kayo aligned, then it's time to let go. Timing and intentions, I'm praying you'll come back after everything that's happened between us. I worry that you won't forgive me and allow me another chance. So, yun nga. This person ay nare-realize niya yung mga nagawa niya. And been wanting you na bumalik sa buhay niya. But the question is, i-allow mo ba yon? Bibigyan mo ba siya ng chance o magiging excited ka sa new opportunity for you wherein you might meet a new person in your life like a twin flame energy that will, change your life for the better. Treasure your loved ones. You will treasure yung mga taong talagang nagpapahalaga sa'yo. These people na nagmamahal talaga sa'yo ng totoo. Okay? And vice versa. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.